How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good, thanks. What are you doing?
I'm just taking Mel.J. out for a ride.
Nice.
Nice day, eh?
Yeah.
What have you been up to?
Not much, just chilling.
Mills. This is Mel.J. Mills. Yeah, workhorse.
Who's the other horse?
That's Mac. He's my big thoroughbred.
How old are they?
Mel.J.'s he's 24.
No, okay.
Mackie's 17.
So Mac's the
Yeah, it's
baby.
like a 2-year-old. You wanna come round? No, sure. Big Mac. Because he's big, obviously. Big and grumpy. Yeah, nasty. Like to come out here and get away from everything. Just relax.
Yeah.
Non-stressing. I've got the comedy shit going on at the moment. And acting and stuff.
When's your next gig?
Next week. Or 2 weeks. Something like that. I haven't checked.
Whereabouts is it?
I think Richmond.
Oh,
Do
okay.
you hear some new stuff I just made up?
Yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Don't you hate it when you're absolutely shit-faced drunk and you go to the toilet and you sit down and you're just sitting there and just like, oh, I gotta take my fucking pants off. Can't go. You're sitting there and you just go, you're looking down at your undies and like, oh shit. Wearing old underwear. What's this thing in my undies? I think that's old urine. What's this stuff? Someone's old cum stains. That's disgusting, man.
Ew.
I think it's mine, I'm not too sure. And then you're sitting there and you're like, wait, these are granny undies. I don't have fucking granny undies. These are my mum's. Why the fuck am I wearing my mum's undies? Where did I grab my mum's undies? Shit, man. No, just kidding. My mum doesn't wear underwear. Yeah, that's all I got so far. I really don't know. I need to work on it.
No, it's good.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm just getting ready for America at the moment. I'm just trying to get stuff done for that. And come around. Really.
Yeah. What movie do you think you're doing?
It's just auditions at the moment, just for everything. Ain't that buddy? So like movie directors, TV directors, casting directors, all that kind of stuff.
No. Nice.
But yeah. Anyway, we gotta get going and get this boy saddled up. He's not too happy about it. He'll get over it. Hey, Mills. Alright. Catch you later, bitches.